Hi, I'm Jason. I've been a paramedic for about 19 years now. Let me tell you why I started this community. When I first began, I loved the work, but as I gained a little bit of experience, I saw a problem. Many of us, especially students, struggle with more than just skills. There's the overwhelm of trying to learn everything at once, the anxiety of making mistakes, and the fear that maybe this just isn't cut out for you. I've seen students who feel lost and unsure how to bridge the gap between the classroom and the real world. This is why I created the Paramedic Mastery Network. Here, we focus on what really matters, the mindset, wisdom, and practical skills that go beyond the classroom. It's about more than surviving. It's about mastering your role and finding fulfillment. We cut through the noise so you don't have to waste your time on what doesn't work, and instead, focus on strategies that lead to real, lasting growth. Our mission is simple: to empower you to be the best paramedic you can be. We help you reflect, learn, and grow so that you can approach every call with confidence and provide the best care possible. Whether you're a seasoned paramedic or just starting out, we're in this together. Join us in elevating our profession and supporting one another. Welcome to the Paramedic Mastery Network, where your growth is our mission.